ham sandwiches, cup of tea, 6 empty PC cases, and the contents of 6 PCs. That kept me going this morning. Hi guys, nice sunny day out there. Very windy, but the sun's out, so no going out and flying aeroplanes. Possibly go out and fly kites, but I got a little task I've got to do. I've got a few old PCs to strip down, take the hard drives out if they're still in there. I think they've still got the hard drives in, most of them. But I'll take those out for security, then they can go to the recycling centre. I don't think there's anything really worth saving in them. I could take the power units out, I suppose. I never did get round to doing myself a bench power supply, which is the standard thing you do with a PC power unit that you're not using anymore. I might take one out for that. I'm not sure if they've got anything worth having in them. That one's got an old rewritable CD. External card slots. Media dashboard, that one, with external slots. Oh, USB 3 on that one. I'm surprised because it's pretty old. It's got an external, oh, you need a key to open that. Hot swappable hard drive bay there. Can you see that? There we are. DVD recorder, that one. Old floppy drive in that one. Floppy drive in that one. And that one. And that one. Oh, they are a bit old. Yeah. So, yeah, I suppose I could take the power units out of them. Power units and hard drives. Maybe the memory. Somebody might want the memory on eBay or something. Somebody doing an old PC that they want some memory for. You never know. I can't be bothered to separate out all the bits. So yeah, that's what I'll do. Hard drives out, and possibly the power units. Right, quick look inside the first one. It's got 3 rows of memory in it. Still got the power unit in it. Oh, looks like I've already taken the hard drive out of this one, so that's okay. Well, I didn't want to do it, but once I got into the swing of it, I stripped them all down properly. So they're just empty cases now. So we've got the metal work there, plastic there. And then over here, which is what I really didn't want, I've separated it out. So we've got motherboards, power units. There weren't many hard drives in there. I must have taken them out when I put them away originally. There's only 4 hard drives there. Memory strips, a few odd cards, not many. I think there's a couple of LAN cards there and maybe a couple of graphics cards. Load of CD or DVD drives. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little floppy drives. Then I took the heat sinks out because they'll probably be useful for something, and the fans. Maybe a Stirling engine, or not Stirling. Oh yeah, you do need to cool them, don't you? And loads of cables. Say, I really didn't want to do that. I wanted to throw it all away. Never mind. Because I've got, you know, the CD drives, DVD drives, they're not a lot of use to anybody, so I'll probably strip them down and take the motors out of them eventually. So that's all stuff I really hadn't planned to do. And I really only need one power unit for the desk supply. Never mind. That kept me occupied for a couple of hours.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.